Queen Elizabeth II of United Kingdom, the world's most oldest living ruler who denoted her 90th birthday celebration a month ago, has had various legends spring around her previously. Most bewildering among these fantasies is the case that she is from the genealogy of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, from his 43rd age, by means of her Spanish Muslim heritage. Albeit contested, genealogical records of early medieval Spain additionally bolster the case. It is asserted by certain students of history that Queen Elizabeth has a place with the group of Abu al-Qasim Muhammad ibn Abbad, a relative of Muhammad, peace be upon him, through his daughter Fatima, may Allah bless her, and grandson Husayn ibn Ali, may Allah bless him. Al-Qasim was initially a judge designated by the Caliph of Córdoba, however he held on to control and shaped his own line, the Abbasids. He turned into the independent ruler of Seville in Al-Andalus in 1023. After 6 decades, in 1091, the Almoravids of Morocco assaulted the Abbasid realm, at that point being governed by Al-Qasim's grandson Al-Mu'tamid ibn Abbad. Ibn Abbad was vanquished and deposed. In the meantime, his little girl named Sta fled north and took asylum at the court of King Alfonso VI of Leon. In the years to come, she embraced the name Isabella after her submersion. The ruler wedded her after the passing of his first spouse and fathered 3 kids with her. After 2 centuries, in 1352, a relative of Sta and King Alfonso, Maria de Padilla, had youngsters with King Peter of Castile, who was freely known as the Cruel. The ruler fathered 4 kids with her, 2 of whom wedded children of King Edward III of England. Here's the family line of Queen Elizabeth in full. Elizabeth II, Queen of the UK, girl of George VI, King of the UK, child of George V, King of the UK, child of Edward VII, King of the UK, child of Victoria, Queen of the UK, girl of Edward, Duke of Kent and Strathearn, child of George III, King of Great Britain, child of Frederick, Prince of Wales, child of George II, King of Great Britain, child of George I, King of Great Britain, child of Sophia, Electress of Hanover, girl of Elizabeth of Bohemia, girl of James I/Vi, King of England, Ireland and Scotland, child of Mary, Queen of Scots, girl of James V, King of Scots, child of Margaret Tudor, girl of Elizabeth of York, girl of Edward IV, King of England, child of Richard Plantagenet, Duke of York, child of Richard of Königsberg, Earl of Cambridge, child of Isabella Perez of Castile, girl of Maria Juana de Padilla, girl of Maria Fernandez de Hinestrosa, girl of Aldonza Ramirez de Cifuentes, girl of Aldonza González Girón, girl of Sancha Rodríguez de Lara, girl of Rodrigo Rodríguez de Lara, child of Sancha Alphonse, Infanta of Castile, girl of Sta, otherwise known as Isabella, girl of Al-Mu'tamid ibn Abbad, King of Seville, child of Abbad II al-Mu'tadid, King of Seville, child of Abu al-Qasim Muhammad ibn Abbad, King of Seville, child of Ismail ibn Qarayz, child of Qarayz ibn Abbad, child of Abbad ibn Amr, child of Amr ibn Aslan, child of Aslan ibn Amr, child of Amr ibn Tlaf, child of Tlaf ibn Naim, child of Na'im II al-Lakmi, child of Na'im al-Lakmi, child of Zara bint Husayn, girl of Husayn ibn Husayn, child of Hassan ibn Ali, may Allah bless him. There are 5 different lines that are guaranteed by the history specialists. One of the top genealogical analysts and distributors of the world, Burke Spearage, supports the case above. Many sincere Muslims were coercively changed over to Christianity after the loss of Spain from Muslim hands. Many were likewise killed. Among these there were numerous who were from the genealogy of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. We may never know without a doubt, yet it is asserted by numerous history specialists that Queen Elizabeth is from the line of one of the Spanish Muslim Sayyids.